Here we are at this wonderful apartment called Hidden Heaven near Karjat, just a couple of hours drive from Mumbai, and we find ourselves here in the middle of nature. But wait, that's not all. This apartment has so much to make your stay comfy and fun. Here we go. First thing I look for is a good clean washroom. And here Hidden Haven does not disappoint. A modern washroom with heater, shower, and even a hair dryer awaits you. The room feels like a time machine inside. We felt like a maharani and maharaja returning to the air-conditioned palace. Wonderful netted bed, and that's a real wow, so romantic. Beautiful carved furniture, flowers, and antiques all around. And yes, you guessed it right, the room comes with its cute little kitchen stocked with Maggi and tea coffee. You can easily cook up a romantic breakfast here. There is even a cute little dining table for two surrounded by the antiques of a forgotten era. The balcony, oh what a view! Would be fun watching the clouds and the hills from the privacy of this beautifully hidden balcony. But wait, what we find most fascinating is this antique scooter, beautifully restored and kept in the room. Keep wondering how it got here and what is the history behind it.